everybody. Hello everybody, my name is Kaylee Dees and I will be doing a SHEIN unpackaging. I am so excited. I have not opened none of this stuff, so this is kind of like a blind react and I will be deciding whether I'm gonna like return it or keep it. So let's get to the video. Denim skirt. The bill eyes up. I left the skirt! I don't know. Probably both tucked like that. That is so cute. Gold rose. Yo, you can see the mess everywhere. I've made a mess. I gotta clean up. Just know your style is who you are, not who everybody wants you to be. I love my style. I've had hate comments for almost my whole life about my style, and I've just realized that if I love it, that's all that matters. Okay. So we're gonna go through these things. Let's see, I got a few things. I am actually in a big box. I've never had it in the box. But first, looks like the skirt, a denim skirt. Oh, it actually feels good too. This is my first time buying denim from SHEIN, and so like we're gonna see how all that goes. I tried and got it all in my size. So, look at that. That is actually so cute. It's really cute. It's like penciled, and like the buttons are pretty all the way down. And like if I needed to, I can pin this right here, sew it, so it'll be more modest. But that is so cute, guys. Look at that. Oh my word, that's really cute. Okay, I bought actually some shoes. Ah! These are the combat boots. Right here, I'll put the picture right here. Oh, they're so pretty. Guys, oh my gosh. These are so cute. I love these. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I really want to try them on like right now actually. Wow. Okay, so next I have this tan shirt. I think it's supposed to be like that shiny, silky kind of. It's not. It's not. But I got it to go with this skirt right here. The skirt's not coming until tomorrow, I believe. It's not here yet. It didn't come in this package. But it's just a simple, like, cream button-down shirt, which I think is, like, really cute. But it's like, I don't know what kind of material you would call it. But, I don't know. It's just super simple, and I got it to go with the skirt. I guess we can, like, open another thing of shoes. This, I don't know which ones these are. Ooh. Guys, these are so cute.
Where'd you get you? New pair of shoes?
Yeah, aren't they cute?
Yeah, they're pretty.
Look at this. Oh my word.
High steppers, huh?
Yeah, they're so cute. My grandma's right there.
Who are you talking
To the camera.
to? Oh.
Oh my word. Actually, like
Can't
I was.
find anything else but better to talk to.
Yeah. I was actually really scared to like buy shoes from SHEIN because I've never done it, but like, oh my word, guys, these are so cute. We can unbox. I have two more things. This is the dress. I got it in extra large because I didn't want it to be like super skin tight. And like I got it to where, I don't know, I'm hoping it's not like super baggy or super tight. I guess it's got the stuff on the side that it may. This is like an extra, oh, okay, so I may be okay. Like, it's really long too. You can't even see it. But it's like it's really, okay, I'm hoping it's just not like super tight. I'll try it on. I'll try all this stuff on and like show y'all guys. Okay, one more pair of shoes. These are like the super dangerous kind. Like I'll have to be like really careful because they're super white. Oh my goodness. Look. The gold. Oh my word. It's got the foam inside to like keep it pressed up, I guess. I don't know. That's, whoa. That, they smell. Oh, that's really bad. Whoa. That's really bad. Okay. These, I mean, they're really cute. Smells really good. They're scary. But, oh my gosh, look at the gold and the flower on the side. Guys, that is so cute. I just got it on both sides. Duh. It is adorable. I've got socks on so I could like try them on all on. So I can show y'all guys and tell y'all how it feels. Oh, look at the bottom. It's like a cool design. I think it's cute. Okay, I have one more thing to open. And then I will try all this stuff on. Now this is the one I'm not sure about. It's like super long. It's kind of like a mermaid dress. I'll just put it right there. It's like a brown. Yeah, see? And I don't know what I'll wear with it, but it was just like so cute. I'm just like, I have to try that. Oh, that's gonna be tight. I feel like it's gonna be tight, really tight. But it's like a mermaid skirt. It's really cute. I don't know what I'd pair with it, but it feels like I can probably like stretch it out since it's denim. It's this stretchy kind, but it's brown. I don't know if like brown's my color, but like it looked cute on the model. And you can't really go off the model all the time. But like it looked cute and I'm just like, I have to try that. So I'm trying it. And I don't know if I'm gonna like need it. I mean, I feel like it's the same size as this skirt right here. Like it'll fit. I'm hoping. I'm really hoping. Okay, well, let's try all that stuff on. Okay, lesson learned. Definitely size up with these things. Every time I walk, like the bottom folds up and it's just like really tight. And like the buttons when I walk, like you can see through right. Yeah, you could see through right there. But I'm gonna return this one and get a size, I don't know, I'm probably gonna size up 2 because just to like make it comfortable and where it's not like so tight and like it shows everything. So okay, so I got the, I'm gonna like stand on something so you can see it. If I can get up here. Look, it's so tight. It's the like the bell bottom skirt.
You better not fall on that.
But like it is tight and I have to like, I'm gonna send this one back and get a size up too. I've learned my lessons on SHEIN denim. Size up. That you gotta size up. Oh! I left the skirt! For the tan shirt. That's what this is. Yeah, okay. So definitely size up on denim skirts. That helps. But it's really cute. I really like it. Oh wow. It's tight though. I wouldn't be able to do anything. Yeah. Okay, next. Just like a cute, simple black dress to like go under stuff, and like I got an extra large so it wouldn't be like super small. And it's got like this stuff right here to like, I guess, I don't know. It's only on one side too. But like it's really loose up here actually. The only thing is like around my backside, which I could like wear something like long, but It's really cute, and I'm keeping this one. Keeping this one for sure. Chelsea just threw this at me. I'm pretty sure this is the skirt. The brown leather skirt right here. I'm hoping this actually fits, because the two other denim skirts that I got just is not. It's just way too small. I'm gonna send them back and get a like size up, probably like 2 sizes up, because it's bad. I'm praying this one really fits, because guys, I'm gonna cry. Okay. Sorry for the banging in the background. We're redoing our house. The floors. You can't really see the floors. This is the skirt. It's actually really cute. It's really cute. I'll try that one on next. Yeah, I'll show you. Okay, I can't I can't get it buttoned. I look like a whole dad right now. The skirt fits so good. So good, guys. But I'm happy with this one. It's actually fitting. The other two, not so much. I'm seriously having struggles right here. Do these two. I'm thinking like having like a half tucked, half not tucked look. I don't know. I have to like play around with it. Kind of like that. I don't know. Probably both tucked like that. That is so cute. Guys. That is so cute. Now to get this is not working. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This shirt. Oh. Guys. I like this one. 10 out of 10. The shirt is actually like not really see-through, because I have like no undershirt on. TMI, but that's okay. And then the skirt fits like literally perfectly. Definitely keeping these. Now I'll try on the shoes. Okay, I'm going to try. I showed mom and dad. They didn't like it. Told me that it was just like old looks. I don't know. I like it. That's all that matters. It's modest. It's cute to me. So I'm happy about it. I'm gonna keep it. I love it. Okay, so let's try the shoes. Okay, I'm gonna like. Let's see. You don't go with the outfit, but I kinda. This. There we go. There we go. See? I think they're really cute, and like they're actually comfortable. They don't have as much cushion as I would like hope, but it's really comfortable. Okay, I'm gonna like take you off this thing. I only put on one shoe because I'm lazy, and that's how we're doing things. This just shows just how lazy I am. I'm not even gonna tie it. This is the combat boots. They feel like the leather right here, it feels cheap. Like they could have done better, but like they're really cute. Like right here is like bothering me. I don't know, it's doing something weird. But I think they're cute, and it's got the zipper in the back. I literally didn't have to do anything. Just like zip it and like put my foot in. That's really cute. You like that? See? The gold rose and the gold in the back. I look at the designs. It's really cute. I like it. But alright guys, thank you guys for watching so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can see the mess everywhere. I've made a mess. I gotta clean up. Just know your style is who you are, not who everybody wants you to be. I love my style. I've had hate comments for almost my whole life about my style, and I've just realized that if I love it, that's all that matters. And I want y'all people y'all, I want y'all to know that's all that matters. So thank y'all guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all guys next time. Bye guys.